Most people have no idea what Skool is yet, but it's quietly becoming the go-to platform for creators and coaches. And once you see what it does, you'll understand why it's blowing up. I personally grew my own Skool community to over 1,200 members, and today I want to show you exactly how it works, plus how you can use it to build your own tribe while things are still early. Now, Alex Hormozi launched his new book in his $100 million trilogy. He sold over 3.5 million copies, and that's insane by itself. But here's the kicker. A lot of that attention spilled right into Skool. And when somebody that influential even indirectly points at a platform, people notice. And that's why everyone's suddenly talking about Skool right now. Sam Ovens, the owner of Skool, who partnered with Alex Hormozi, made a post today on Skool. And he's showing that there was 3.6 million books sold on Hormozi's launch day. It broke a record and created a traffic tsunami that was directed at Skool. Now, they went ahead and made a 38-minute video going over new launches and new functionality into the Skool platform. As of 1 day ago, they had 85,000 people that were running Skool communities, but now they have over 120,000 people. So you got a huge increase in new members creating Skool communities. And these creators are doing over $1 billion a year on Skool. Now, Sam Ovens basically said that most online communities die because they're boring. You know, people join, they lurk for a bit, and then they ghost. But Skool is designed to actually fix that by making the community fun and addictive, the same way social media is, but actually productive. Here's a little backstory. When I joined Skool, for me, it started with frustration because Facebook groups felt dead and Slack was just too corporate-y. And don't forget about Discord because that was just noisy chaos. And none of them really created this kind of engaged, focused community that I wanted. Then I did find Skool. I had heard about Sam Ovens before, but I wasn't really sure what he was building in the background. He used to be a consultant, and he had a very successful consulting agency, but he started doing more community-based stuff and started building this platform. And once I joined Skool, it just instantly felt different. Now, what Skool is, in the simple definition, is it's basically a platform that combines community forum, your online courses, and gamification all in one. So you don't need 5 different apps anymore, it's all right there. The simplicity is why people stick around. And why simplicity matters is because most platforms try to do everything, but end up overwhelming people. You know, Skool stripped it all back to the essentials. It's just posts, courses, and progress. And you can see your progress at any time by clicking your profile here. And it just shows you the amount of activity you've had. So they gamify this very, very well inside the community. And talking about gamification and the dopamine loop, it's one of Skool's secret weapons. Gamification, if you're not familiar, is where you attach meaningless points to activities and you actually try to gamify a specific function or action inside of the platform. Members earn points from posting, commenting, and contributing, and these points unlock levels and spots on the leaderboard. If you go to leaderboards up here, you can see where everyone is. And each level, you can have things that unlock for that specific person. So gamification and dopamine loop is one of Skool's secret weapons. Members earn points for posting, commenting, and contributing. And these points unlock different levels and spots on the leaderboard as shown here on mine. But the game is learning and helping each other. So when you think about what these Skool groups actually do is you're moving towards a common goal within the community. You're learning more and you're getting points for how much you've learned. Now, if you compare that to Facebook groups, your post just gets buried under memes and ads. And Slack feels like work, not a community. And Discord is great for gamers, but it's really overwhelming if you're trying to learn and teach. Skool fixes all those problems with one clean setup. When I first started my community, I was pretty nervous. Would anybody actually post? Would anybody join? But the amount of traffic that Skool is driving right now is literally insane. And the fact that I have 1,200 members already is just a testament to that. But once the first few people started contributing, the snowball effect kicked in, and it kicked in fast. I had a breakthrough moment where I remember logging on one day and seeing conversations happening without me. And that was the breakthrough, when I realized that the systems were working and the community had a life of its own. Once you hit that point, growth becomes exponential. Fast forward, my community now has 1,200 members, and I didn't run any ads whatsoever. This is all organic, and a majority of this traffic was all coming from inside of Skool itself, because there's a discovery up here where you can discover communities. And as you see, there's hobbies, music, money, spirituality, tech, health, sports, self-improvement, and more. I guess relationships was the last one, but who needs to go online for that? All right, so you can go ahead and type anything here. Let's type in SaaS, and you'll see that I pop up as one of the top ranking SaaS communities on this platform. And this gives me tons and tons of free traffic because this is all organic. So the platform itself encourages engagement, which keeps people around. And when they stay, numbers climb naturally. Now, the community culture here is part of what I love most, the culture inside Skool, because of the gamification. People don't really spam nonsense. They actually add value, helpful posts, helpful comments. People are sharing wins, and that creates a real tribe vibe, if you will. And that's kind of hard to find anywhere else because if you think about what Facebook groups have turned into, that's just gone now. Now, as far as the creator side, this is kind of a dream come true. There's no more duct taping together 10 different apps and praying that they work. Skool really handles all the tech, so you can just focus on creating content and leading your people. That alone is a game changer. And there's a Hormozi effect going on Skool right now. Because let's go back to Hormozi for a second. When he moves, people pay attention. His launch didn't just sell books, it shifted eyeballs. There's a lot of those eyeballs have landed on Skool. And that kind of exposure can catapult a platform years ahead overnight because this timing is so advantageous to the growth of Skool. Skool is still new, which means the land grab is happening. And these are the people that are going to be the thought leaders that are owning those spaces. And if you wait on this opportunity, it's going to mean you're going to be playing catch up. You can set up your Skool to be free, paid, or a mix. Free groups are great for building an audience. You could do a free to paid freemium model. There are a ton of different models that you can choose from. Now, another thing is you can set up your Skool to be a free Skool. You could also set it up to be a paid Skool, or you could have a mix of the two. Now, the free groups are great for building an audience, and the paid ones can turn into a business. The platform actually gives you the flexibility to choose what makes sense for your strategy. Now, in my own setup, I keep the structure very simple. I have a clear categories for different topics, a course section, and this is where your courses are laid out. And I have a start here, so I can just guide everyone through my community as simply as possible. Then I have a free setting up Go High Level course, and inside my community is where we learn how to use Go High Level and sell this to local businesses. Then I have selling strategies to help with the actual conversion of the sale. And I have my advanced SaaS agency blueprint. That is everything that I use in my SaaS agency. Now, you can have this all clearly laid out in here, and you can click into them. And this is where you can actually have modules set up for specific things in your classroom. So here's the domain Go High Level setup. Here's the logo design, branding, etc., etc. And once you hit this mark as complete, it's going to show up here as complete. Success on Skool comes from three things: clear value, simple onboarding, and consistent engagement. If you make it easy to join and it's rewarding to participate, the community really takes off. And that's really it. There is no hacks required. So here's the bottom line. Skool is going to become the go-to hub for creators, coaches, and anyone trying to build a tribe or audience online. It's very simple, it's sticky. You don't need a website anymore. You can send people directly to your Skool page and then have them pay a monthly fee to get in. And that's monthly reoccurring revenue, which is what makes this offer so sticky. It's simple, it's sticky, and it actually works. Now, if you get in early, you can ride this wave instead of chasing it later. And if you want to start your own Skool community, I've dropped a link below and you can go ahead and sign up for Skool. Now, I hope you gained some value from today's video. I'll catch you in there.